Hi everyone! In this video we will discuss about the difference between I-tip and U-tip hair extensions. U-tip hair extensions and I-tip hair extensions are both pre-tipped with keratin. This type of hair extension is also called fusion. The shape of the tip can vary from nail shape, flat shape, or stick shape. The keratin tip may need to be trimmed to remove the excess keratin. So friends, let's find out the difference between I-tip and U-tip hair extensions. U-tip hair extensions are hair extensions that are applied to the client by use of a hot hair extension iron. The heat from a hair extension iron will not damage the hair, it's less hot than a standard curling or flat iron, and the hair extension iron only touches the hair for a few seconds. The U-tips are made of super keratip. Super keratip is the strongest keratin available today. It is a professional product, and because of the hardness of the keratin, the application should only be done by professionals. To apply U-tipped extensions, the hair needs to be freshly washed with clarifying shampoo, and no conditioner. Your hands also need to be clean. Completely melt the keratin with the hair extension iron so the keratin penetrates the client's hair. This makes for a long-lasting bond. Then roll with fingers. The super keratip won't stick to your finger or burn your fingers like other keratin. U-tipped hair extensions are the most popular extensions for all hair types because the attachment spot is very small, can be customized by cutting the hair extension to make 2 to 3 smaller micro bonds for use with fine hair. So what's better for you between I-tip and U-tip or flat tip hair extensions? U-tip and the traditional flat tip hair extensions can only be applied using a heating tool to melt the keratin. And while these tools only use a fraction of the heat created by normal curling and flat irons, and they are only near the hair for a few seconds at a time, you may have fragile or damaged hair that you'd like to keep as far away from heat as possible. You can do a variety of hairstyles, including updos and styling your hair down, as long as you use hot fusion hair extensions. Typical I-tip and new flat tip hair extensions are attached to your hair using a micro ring process that involves pulling your hair through a small metal loop in the extension base. This loop is usually made of copper or aluminum, which is not recommended for women going through radiation or chemotherapy, and can cut into your hair's cuticles, causing damage. Pulling curly or coarse hair through these rings can also lead to tangling, snarling, and extremely tough removal, so micro rings may not be the way to go for women with springier hair types. It is a more updated extensions method. Cold fusion hair extensions were created to be a lot more gentle on your natural hair than hot fusion. Say much is not more important than seeing and test by yourself. If you do really want your hair brand to be the best in the hair industry, just be our partner. We can help you to grow your business. If you are interested in I-tip or U-tip hair extensions and wants to know more about the difference between I-tip or U-tip hair extensions, visit our website Hair International and talk with our experts today. You can also mail us at this given address. If you want more informative articles, like and subscribe to our channel.